Hello and welcome to our third submission of our UB Dynamic Scheduling Assistant. We're going to go ahead and make a new user for you just to show off some of our changes. A lot of changes that are visible to the human eye, but they have occurred on the back end of everything. So our project is now more scalable and modular. Let's go ahead and create a Jane Doe user, and we're going to add a different degree this time. Prior, we've been just using computer engineering, and all that was hard-coded. So we have 10 more degrees available that are not hard-coded, but have been scraped and parsed from the web into our database. So we're going to go ahead with a biomedical engineering degree, and once we register, you'll see that our flow sheet will pop up, and it will have all the courses in the proper semesters. If we highlight over a certain course, we can see that it will still have dependencies, as it should. And we can still go ahead and edit these courses to show our progress if we were to have changed or if we wanted to use this over time to kind of predict when we're going to graduate. So we'll go ahead and submit this. Our progress bar should update as well as the percentage. A lot of changes took place on this page on the back end. We restructured everything upon our mentor's advice to make it more scalable for when we have high traffic situations when we're trying to schedule at once at the beginning of a semester. And it also handled a lot of errors with parsing on this page between the different degrees. So let's go ahead and create a schedule for the next semester. On the schedule page, we also redid our entire backend. This page would have seen extremely high traffic at the beginning of semesters or during scheduling times. So we wanted to take the load off of the server end of everything and put a little more on the client, which we went ahead and did. Our shopping cart prior used up an incredible amount of RAM because it was a giant array and it was poorly structured. So we turned that into a linked list implementation, and the list needs to be client-side load, especially on mobile devices. We also removed a lot of unnecessary buttons and thoughts of places where we wanted to go and changed those ideas and just simplified everything a little bit. We can see that the available courses are now populated based on our degree. Prior, the course was just generated by 50 degrees only, and it was hard-coded. So now this is dynamically going and gathering the information from the user's database table and generating the first 10 classes, or the next 10 classes they might have to take. So we're going to go ahead, we can still search our classes if we wanted to search just BE 400, for example. We can block off maybe Wednesdays, and we'll go ahead and search. We'll see that it does just select BE 400, and it has eliminated anything that had a Wednesday time in it. Other than that, in the header, we remove the settings and the profile page that we're going to use. But overall, this project has become extremely more scalable for high traffic situations. And that concludes our third submission. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.